Good morning, everybody. What I have here, it is a fuel pump of my Toyota Tazz. This interesting story. This one, it was in the car for about 15 years, but I replaced it, but it was still working. So I'm going to open it. I'm going to cut it here, and I actually want to see what's inside. Because to think this thing was running every day for 15 years. 130,000 kilometers on the engine, and it still works. So just will be interesting to see what is inside. Let's cut it open. Righto, I cut it open with an angle grinder. Let's just remove it slowly, yeah. Righto, that's it. Okay, obvious here, seeker a filter. I'll open it just now, maybe completely. Let's first check this side. Here is a normal rubber. It's a rubber membrane. When this thing pulses, it pushes the pump, the fuels through. But look how nicely it still is, actually. I damaged it now with a cutting, but to see, to think this thing works so hard for so long and it still looks fine. So it shows you, if you make quality parts, it will last you a long time. And here's just a mechanism, and I'm gonna open here just now to see what is inside. And maybe just a fuel filter or a reed valve, a non-return valve. This is like the input, and one goes to the carburetor and one goes flow back to the tank. Okay, let's open that side also. The kind of a rubber in here. Obviously, yeah, this is the one-way valve this side and one-way valve that side. It's just a type of rubber plastic, but it looks fine. Yeah, and there's the other side. So one is incoming, one is outgoing. Very interesting. That's all that's in here. Okay, that was interesting to see. Just a normally Toyota fuel pump, the workings of it. There's a spring inside there. But just to think, this thing works for 15 years every day, and it still looks like this, and it's still strong. So there's no perishable, there's no damage to the rubber, anything. Well, that was interesting. Okay, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Until next time, cheers.